Have you ever felt ready in your mind for intimacy, but your body doesn't respond the way it used to? You want to feel strong, confident, and reliable, but something just feels off. For many men over 30, this is one of the toughest changes to deal with. But here's the truth. Your body isn't broken. Most of the time, it just needs the right kind of support. And sometimes that support can be as simple as the vitamins you take each day. In this video, I'll share 3 vitamins that play a direct role in blood flow, energy, and firmness. And I'll also show you the best way to take them so they actually work for your body. Stay with me until the end because I want you to leave not only with information, but with a clear plan you can start today. Point 1, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Let's start with vitamin D, which people often call the sunshine vitamin. Your body makes it when sunlight hits your skin. Pretty simple, right? But as we get older, especially past 50, your skin just isn't as good at turning sunlight into vitamin D. Add to that the fact that most of us spend way more time inside at work, in the car, or in front of a screen, and it's no surprise our levels can drop without us even noticing. So why is this such a big deal? Vitamin D is one of the most important nutrients for men's health. It supports healthy blood flow, helps balance hormones, strengthens the immune system, and even affects mood. When your levels are low, blood vessels can get stiff, testosterone production slows down, and your energy and performance start to slip. For a lot of men, this shows up as weaker erections, less stamina, and just not feeling as sharp or confident as before. Here's something most guys don't know. Vitamin D is what's called fat soluble. That means your body needs fat to absorb it. If you just take it with a glass of water on an empty stomach, most of it passes right through you. The smarter way is to take it with a meal that has healthy fats like eggs, avocado, nuts, salmon, or even a drizzle of olive oil. That's when your body can actually use it. And when your body gets enough vitamin D, the difference is real. Blood vessels stay more flexible, circulation improves, testosterone gets a boost, and your overall energy feels stronger. For men over 40, keeping your vitamin D levels steady can make a huge difference in how you feel day to day, both in your energy and in the bedroom. Point 2, vitamin B12, the energy spark. Now, let's talk about vitamin B12. I like to call this one the energy spark because it helps your body run like a well-tuned engine. Vitamin 12 keeps your nerves healthy, supports red blood cells, and makes sure oxygen gets delivered all through your body, including the areas that matter most for performance. Here's the problem. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 drops. The stomach naturally produces less acid, and stomach acid is needed to release B12 from food. If you eat less meat or animal products, or if you have issues like acid reflux or gastritis, your body might not be getting enough B12, even if your diet looks okay. Low B12 often goes unnoticed at first, but the signs are there. You may feel tired more often, have less energy during the day, notice tingling in your hands or feet, or even struggle with focus and memory. And of course, when your energy is low and oxygen delivery is weak, it directly affects blood flow, stamina, and erections. So what's the best way to take B12? Timing and form matter. It's best taken in the morning because it gives you a natural lift to start the day. And instead of swallowing a regular pill, try a sublingual B12 little tablet that melts under your tongue. That way, it skips the digestive system and goes straight into your bloodstream. This makes it much more effective, and you'll feel the difference faster. When your body has enough B12, oxygen delivery improves, your energy picks up, and your blood flow feels smoother. It's one of the simplest ways men over 50 can restore vitality and keep performance strong. Vitamin C, the circulation booster. Finally, let's look at vitamin C. Most people only think of it for colds or the immune system, but for men's health, especially after 40, it's a secret weapon for blood flow. Here's why. Vitamin C helps your body produce nitric oxide, a natural compound that tells blood vessels to relax and open up. Without enough nitric oxide, blood can't flow freely, and that makes firmness almost impossible. On top of that, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting your arteries and veins from long-term damage. Think of it like a shield, keeping your blood vessels strong, flexible, and able to deliver blood where it needs to go. Low vitamin C doesn't just affect your immune system. It can make circulation sluggish, reduce energy, and over time, weaken sexual performance. That's why keeping your levels steady is so important. Here's the trick. Your body doesn't store much vitamin C. It uses what it needs right away and flushes the rest. That's why taking one big dose isn't the best approach. Instead, split it into 2 smaller doses in the morning and 1 in the evening. Take it with water, or even better with fruits like oranges, berries, or kiwi. That makes it easier for your body to absorb and use. When you keep vitamin C steady in your system, nitric oxide stays strong, blood vessels stay healthy, and circulation improves. The result? More reliable energy, stronger performance, and better confidence overall. For men over 40, it's one of the simplest and most overlooked ways to support erections naturally, bringing it all together. So when you put these 3 together, vitamin D for hormones and vessel strength, B12 for energy and oxygen, and vitamin C for nitric oxide, you give your body the foundation it needs for natural, reliable performance. These aren't quick fixes, but with daily use, they help your body work the way it's meant to. Just remember, consistency matters. Taking them once in a while won't do much. But with daily routine, the results build over time. And of course, vitamins work best with healthy habits, staying hydrated, moving your body, and eating foods that support circulation. It's not about one magic pill, it's about giving your body all the tools it needs to perform. So if you're over 40 and want firmer, more reliable erections, here's the plan. Take vitamin D with a meal that has fat. Take vitamin B12 in the morning under your tongue. Take vitamin C twice a day for steady blood flow. Stay consistent, and over time, you'll be surprised by how much energy, confidence, and strength comes back. Thank you for joining me. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple and honest advice on men's health, intimacy, and vitality after 40. Remember, your body is still capable of strength.